In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Smartsheet. Before we begin, make sure you're already signed into your Smartsheet account and you're on the main home screen. That way, the options we're going to use will be visible and ready to go. To start, look toward the lower left corner of your Smartsheet window. You should see your profile icon there. Depending on your setup, this might be a small circle with your initials or a generic user icon. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This opens a small menu with account-related options. From that menu, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled My Smartsheet Contacts. This section is where Smartsheet keeps the list of people you've saved for things like sharing sheets, assigning tasks, or sending notifications. Once you click it, a window or panel will appear showing all of your saved contacts. Take a moment to scroll through this list and find the specific contact you want to delete. It can help to look for their name or email address. When you've located the right one, move your mouse to the right side of that contact's row. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots appear there. These 3 dots usually indicate more options or actions. Click on the 3 dots to open a small context menu for that individual contact. In this menu, select the option labeled Edit. Clicking Edit opens the detailed contact information for that person. Even though we are ultimately deleting the contact, Smartsheet uses this same edit view to let you manage or remove them. So this step is necessary. Inside the edit view, you'll see the contact's details, such as their name and email. From here, look for the delete option, which is typically shown as a button or link within this window. When you choose to delete, Smartsheet may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this contact. Confirm the action and the contact will be removed from your My Smartsheet contacts list.